Hello, I'm Tarotist Maggie Norton, and today I'm so excited to bring you the tarot card of the week. It is the Five of Wands. Now, sometimes this can be a card of struggle. Why am I so excited about the Five of Wands? Because, gosh, once we hit those fives, the change has already started. Now we get to roll with it, okay? The Five of Wands is going to be the energy that brings up all your issues, but also the energy to help you through them quickly. Okay, what does that mean? It means anything that has been lingering here is now brought up to the surface. Now, if this shows up in your outside life, it can signify conflicts with people. So I just want you to be aware of being on top of your game, really being in a very center place so it doesn't have to show up that way for you. How it can show up for you at the Five of Wands is just, okay, I feel like I need to shift something and I need to take some action to do so. Easy, right? Well, I make it sound easy. It can be easy. It doesn't have to be difficult. The fives can be challenging only because it signifies a place of change and a time of change. And we, even though change is the one constant of the universe, we fight it for whatever reason. But this week, I'm going to encourage you to embrace the changes that are happening, to take a little bit of action when necessary, and to allow this energy to build some fuel within you to shift the things in your life that you are ready to shift. Okay, you don't have to be used by this energy. You can use this energy to create the change that you want. More empowering. Okay, it's more empowering if you co-create with your life and say, you know what, I've been ready for this change for a while. Let me see how I can work with it. So take the Five of Wands and muster up that passion, that intensity, that strength, so that when you're ready to shift some things this week, you've got the fire behind you to do so. Just don't allow this fire to wreak havoc without you participating in the direction of where it goes. Okay? I guess I don't have to say that twice, but listen to it again if you just need to hear that again. Enjoy the Five of Wands this week. And have fun. Have fun. Remember that this energy can move you through things quickly. If you use it consciously, it'll have better effect to do that. All right? Enjoy your week.